What if I told you that you could burn fat simply by sleeping better? Sound too good to be true? Keep watching, because today you'll learn how transforming your sleep can help turn your body into a powerful fat-burning machine. Not getting enough sleep can be a daily struggle, even for people who eat well and exercise regularly. Even when you work hard, hit the gym regularly, and watch your diet, the stubborn belly fat may not budge because you do not get the sleep you need. Frustrating? Well, here's a little secret. You might be overlooking one of the most critical aspects of losing fat: getting enough sleep. Transform your sleep into a fat-burning machine with these tips. Many people think they have everything covered, but not if you don't get enough sleep. I know somebody who believed that grinding it late at night or watching late-night TV wouldn't hurt his progress or impact his weight loss goal if he ate right and exercised regularly. But he was wrong. Poor sleep sabotages weight loss in more ways than one. First, let's understand how sleep impacts fat burning. Hormones and metabolism explanation. Your body experiences hormonal imbalances when you sleep poorly. Two critical hormones, ghrelin and leptin, become disrupted. Ghrelin, the hunger hormone, increases, making you crave unhealthy snacks, while leptin, the hormone signaling fullness, decreases. The result? You're hungrier, you eat more, and you gain fat. Moreover, insufficient sleep spikes cortisol, the stress hormone. Cortisol doesn't just increase appetite, it actively promotes fat storage, particularly around your abdomen. Quality sleep isn't just resting, it's recovery and regulation for your body. Better sleep means better metabolism, improved hormone balance, and optimized fat-burning potential. If you talk to most sleep specialists, the advice you will get will center around sleep consistency and settling and implementing specific strategies to transform your sleep. Here are the powerful tips that you will get from sleep experts when you talk to them, which could change your life. 1. Set a consistent sleep schedule. First, consistency matters. Consistency will stabilize your internal clock, improving sleep quality dramatically. 2. Create a restful environment. Learn to optimize your bedroom. Darkness, cool temperatures, and quiet is critical. Learn to remove distractions, including electronic devices, significantly reducing interruptions during sleep. Tip 3. Watch your evening habits. Stop caffeine consumption after 2 p.m. Limit alcohol before bedtime, and swap heavy dinners for lighter meals earlier in the evening. 4. Incorporate relaxation techniques. Adding calming activities like reading, meditation, or gentle stretching would help you unwind. Managing stress effectively reduces cortisol levels, promoting deeper sleep and greater fat-burning efficiency. Within weeks, if you follow these strategies, you will notice a remarkable change, not just in your sleep, but in your physique. You will see some improvement in your workouts, reduced cravings, and energy levels, and the stubborn fat starts disappearing. Growth hormone and fat burning. Better sleep triggers higher growth hormone production, a potent fat-burning hormone, especially active during deep sleep cycles. More deep sleep means more significant fat loss and enhanced muscle growth. When you prioritize sleep, you will start noticing high levels of confidence. You will feel much better, and your friends will also begin noticing the difference. If you have a problem losing weight, you might think twice about your sleep habits. Could they be holding you back from reaching your goals? Remember, every slight improvement you make tonight brings you closer to turning your body into a natural fat-burning machine. Sleep is good for you in more ways than you can think. Take it seriously. Quick recap. Let's recap. To burn fat through better sleep, maintain a consistent sleep schedule, optimize your sleep environment, control your evening habits, practice relaxation techniques. This topic about good sleep teaches us that fat loss isn't just about diet and exercise. Great sleep is a powerful tool that is often overlooked. It is a tool that can supercharge your results. Please take advantage of it starting today. With that said, thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please share it with a friend and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss future videos.